Hi everyone, this is Bethany from One More Chambers. So the Home Secretary has created a bespoke humanitarian support package for Ukrainian refugees. In this video, I'm going to tell you what kind of visa routes Ukrainians can apply for to be reunited with their family members in the UK. So you can apply for one of the family migration visas if you are an immediate family member of a British national who normally lives in Ukraine. So your British national family member must be one of the following. They are your spouse or civil partner, they are your unmarried partner, but you must be living with them together for at least 2 years. They're your parent if you are under the age of 18. They're your child if they are under the age of 18. Or they are an adult relative you provide care for who lives with you due to a medical condition, for example. So the family migration visas will be free to apply, and if you're considering applying for any of these, then you should call the dedicated 24-hour hotline created by the Home Office for assistance before applying. If you are calling from outside of the UK, you should call this number here. If you are applying within the UK, then you should call this number right here. If you're applying for one of the family visa routes and you're having trouble meeting one of the eligibility requirements, for example, the English language requirement or the minimum income requirement, then don't panic, because the UK Immigration and Visa Department will help you find an alternative grant of leave to come to the UK. This is a bespoke visa route created just for Ukrainian refugees. So in comparison to the family route I just mentioned earlier, this route actually provides a wider scope and allows British nationals and people settled in the UK to bring a wider group of family members to live with them. So it extends eligibility to parents, even if you yourself are over the age of 18, grandparents, adult offspring, so like if your kids are adults, siblings, and all these people's immediate family members. Again, this visa is free to apply for, and those joining family members in the UK will be granted leave to remain for an initial period of 12 months, and they will be able to work and access public funds and public services. If you want to apply for the Ukraine Family Scheme, you must comply with the following criteria. First, you must be applying to join or accompany your UK-based family member. Second, you must be Ukrainian or the immediate family member of a Ukrainian national who is applying to the scheme. And third, you must have been living in Ukraine before the 1st of January 2022. And finally, your application will be subject to security checks. You must apply online by filling out an online form on the official government website. Once you've done that, you should book and attend an appointment at a visa application centre in the country that you're applying from. The Home Office understands that some Ukrainians won't have a full range of documents required to complete a visa application, but the decision maker will be fine and satisfied if you give them a written explanation for why you don't have a certain document. For example, you can say, oh, I don't have my birth certificate because I had to evacuate my home at 3 a.m. in the morning and I didn't have time to retrieve it. As long as your explanation is real, it's true, it's reasonable and believable, then the decision maker will not ask you for that specific document. So the Home Office is exercising discretion, and also they are trying to be flexible and accommodating in these exceptional circumstances. If you don't have any family relatives in the UK, you can still apply and come on a different visa. So the UK has something called a visitor visa, and it means if you get it, you can come and stay for up to 6 months. And the government website said, and I quote, "Ukrainians who need to enter the UK urgently should apply for a visa in the usual way and include clear, compelling or compassionate reasons for your visit in your application." So when you make an application for a visitor visa, just make sure you set out the reasons why you're visiting, and explain the military conflict and imminent danger that your family is in, and why you need to take temporary shelter in UK. I hope you found this video helpful. If you want to find out more about this topic, I suggest you visit the links and sources provided in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.